Welcome to the pre-assessment for Arithmetic Mastery 2.0. This is just a quick test to see what you already know. Now, before you get all worked up and worried, I want you to listen to this part as I say it loud and clear. Your score here doesn't matter. Well, it kind of does, but not in the way you might think. Whenever we learn something new or try to get better at something, it's really important to find out where we're working at right now. There's no point jumping into new learning without already finding out what we know and what we need to improve upon. So, yes, some of these questions you might already know, some of them you might not, and that really doesn't matter. You just need to show that you're trying your very best. And after you've gone through the many lessons that are coming after this, you'll try this test again, and that way you'll be able to see exactly what it is that you've improved upon. You'll look back at your score today, whatever it is, and think, wow, I've improved so much. You'll be more confident, more capable, and way ahead of where you are right now. So here's how it works. You'll have 15 minutes to answer all of the questions that are about to come up on the screen. All you need to do is write the answers. Make sure you've got something to write with and something to write on before we begin. When the timer runs out, I'll come back here and go through the answers with you one by one. And if you get stuck on a question, it's fine. You can do one of two things. Either have a guess or just skip it entirely. So, it's about to begin. Make sure you've got something to write with and something to write on, and let's go straight in. Good luck. And we're done. We're going to go through the answers now. Make sure you mark this accurately. If you start changing the answers, it's kind of made the whole test pointless. Only you are going to see the score unless you choose to share it with anyone else. Let's take a look, starting with question 1. Question number 1. 334 plus 100. I'm going to put 100 underneath and draw a line. 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So my answer is 434. Give it a tick if you got it right. Question 2. 672 subtract 100. Let's subtract 100 from 672. 2 subtract 0 is 2, 7 subtract 0 is 7, 6 subtract 1 is 5. 572. Number 3. 56 plus 70. Put 70 underneath and draw 2 lines. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 7 is 12. So the answer is 126. Question 4. 698 subtract 300. Let's put 300 underneath. 8 subtract 0 is 8. 9 subtract 0 is 9. 6 subtract 3 is 3. 398. Question 5. 34 multiplied by 8. We're going to put 8 underneath and draw 2 lines. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. Add the 3 is 27. 272. Question 6. 72 divided by 4. 72 goes here. Put 4 at the side. How many 4s are in 7? 1, with a remainder of 3. How many 4s in 32? 8. The answer is 18. Question 7. 2 fifths add 1 fifth. The denominators are the same, so the denominator will stay the same in my answer. 2 add 1 is 3, 3 fifths. Question 8. 7 eighths subtract 3 eighths. The denominator is the same, so it will stay the same in my answer. 7 subtract 3 is 4. 4 eighths is your answer. Question 9. 476 plus 1000. Let's put 1000 underneath, draw 2 lines and the plus symbol. 6 add 0 is 6, 7 add 0 is 7, 4 add 0 is 4, and nothing at 1 is 1. 1476. Question 10. 1892 subtract 1000. We'll put 1000 underneath and draw a line. 2 subtract 0 is 2. 9 subtract 0 is 9. 8 subtract 0 is 8. 1 subtract 1 is 0. The answer, 892. Question 11. 6782 plus 2561. Let's put 2561 underneath, plus symbol, and draw 2 lines. 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 6 is 14. 7 plus 5 plus 1 is 13. 6 add 2 is 8. Add the 1 is 9. The answer, 9,343. Question 12. 5,112 subtract 456. Let's put 456 underneath and draw the line. 2 subtract 6 we can't do, so we're going to have to borrow. 12 subtract 6 is 6. 0 subtract 5 we can't do, so we're going to have to borrow. 10 subtract 5 is 5. 0 subtract 4 we can't do, so we're going to have to borrow. 10 subtract 4 is 6. 4 subtract nothing is 4. 4,656. Question 13. 7 multiplied by 9. The answer is 63. Question 14. 3 times 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 3 multiplied by 40. Well, if I cross off the 0, I will do 3 times 4, which is 12, and then add the 0 back on, 120. Question 15. 562 multiplied by 5. Let's put 5 underneath and draw our two lines. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Add the 1, 31. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Add the 3 is 28. 2,810. Question 16. 656 multiplied by 7. Put 7 underneath and draw the two lines. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. 35 add 4 is 39. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. Add 3 is 45. 4,592. Question 17. 2 fifths. Add 3 fifths. The denominator is the same, so it's going to stay the same in my answer as well. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 fifths. Question 18. 14 fifteenths. Subtract 2 fifteenths. The denominator is the same, so it's going to stay the same in my answer as well. 14 subtract 2 is 12. 12 fifteenths. Question 19. 4.5 plus 0.6. Let's put them together. Draw the two lines, and don't forget to put the decimal point in the answer. 5 plus 6 is 11. 4 plus 0 plus 1 is 5. 5.1. Question 20. 7.82 subtract 0.02. Let's put 0.02 underneath and draw the line. 2 subtract 2 is 0. 8 subtract 0 is 8. Don't forget this part. I nearly forgot the decimal point in my answer. 7 subtract 0 is 7. Now, when we have a decimal answer like this, we don't need that last 0. So 7.8 is the answer. Question 21. 56 divided by 100. We're dividing, so the numbers are going to go this way. 56. Invisible decimal point. I need to move it 2 spaces. 1, 2. My answer, 0.56. I have a feeling a few people will have seen that question and gone, what? But it's fine. I'm going to explain how to do it a little bit later in the course. Question 22. 87 divided by 10. Dividing, so the numbers are going to go this way. 87, invisible decimal point. Move it 1 space. 8.7. 23. 3/4 of 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And the last one, question 24. 4.56 plus 2.9. Let's put it underneath. Draw the two lines. Don't forget to put the decimal point in your answer. 6 plus nothing is 6. 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 plus 2 is 6. Add the 1 is 7. 7.46. Well done for your effort in all of those. Great job! You've just finished the very first part of Arithmetic Mastery 2.0. Even if you're not thrilled with your score, don't worry. Just taking this step is already a big win. Now, if you're excited to get started, go ahead and click the Mark Complete button below and go straight into Lesson 1. Or if you need a quick break, that's fine. Leave this for now and I'll be waiting here when you want to come back. This is just the beginning and I can't wait to start that first lesson with you. I'll see you soon.